Students on the Masters in Slavery and Dependency Studies in the first semester take a module called Material Culture Methods, in which they are given a thorough introduction to how it is that we can use material culture to learn about dependency relationships in the past. So what we were doing today is making Opus Signinum, which is a form of concrete that is hydrophobic, that means it's waterproof, that is made with ceramics and is found across the entire Roman world. The purpose was to get students to think about how can we reconstruct hidden labour, dependent labour. Because of course a large number of the people involved in the processes of making this stuff would likely have been slaves or dependent people.
You look like astronauts.
We've successfully made approximately a cubic metre of the stuff. That took us all afternoon, and it took us a team of about 10 people, admittedly without training. And that's even at a stage where all of the materials we needed to make it, lime, crushed ceramics, sand, had been delivered to us by modern logistical systems. So part of the purpose of today was to get students to think, how does performing these practices, doing experimental archaeology ourselves, enable us to see things in the material record that we wouldn't necessarily be able to access without thinking through these processes? And also, how does it enable us to think about the hidden labour that is not necessarily transmitted to us in the textual record?
Wow. They do say directly on.